In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a Pinterest account like this one and monetize it to possibly make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. The tools that we are gonna be needing in this video, obviously Pinterest trends for finding a booming niche, Fiverr for our affiliate program and actually monetizing our account, Flowdesk for creating a landing page and building a sustainable business, and of course ChatGPT for generating ideas. Also guys, don't forget that I have a free affiliate marketing guide for beginners because it is super difficult to explain everything in just one video. But if you're still new to this affiliate marketing business, you can download this guide and it is 52 pages long. And this basically will teach you how to choose your niche, how different affiliate marketing strategies work, will give you practical tips, and how to avoid common pitfalls. Scroll down to the description, click on the first link, and you can download it for free. Now let's get started with choosing the niche. Let's go to Pinterest Trends. In the search tab, you can type in whatever you want, but if you scroll down a bit, you'll get this section filters. Now in the trend type, you can either choose top monthly trends, top yearly trends, growing trends, or monthly or seasonal trends, and just search for keywords that are trending in this season. For example, prom hairstyles, prom captions, Mother's Day gifts, teachers appreciation gifts, Minecraft houses, and many more. What I usually recommend is to go with the niche that you are interested in if you want to go for long run. Also, don't forget that the majority of people that are on Pinterest are women. It's around 80%. So keep that in mind while searching for your niche. Also, if you have interests, you can choose on these. For example, if you are interested in health, you can choose this one, and this will give you keywords from health niche. For example, self-care, high-protein breakfast, high-protein snacks, keto recipes. This is basically everything in the health niche. Also, you can type in keywords. You can choose age if you want. But what I usually do, I just click on top monthly trends. I scroll through these keywords and see what catches my eye. For example, this one right here, drawing ideas. Take a look at the graph. We can choose 2 years, past 2 years, and it is only growing. Take a look at this. It was 80, 70s, it was in the 60s, and now it's in 90s or even hundreds. So interest over time is growing. Take a look at the demographics. Gender female, that's what we are looking for. And also you get popular pins, you can check them out and get some inspiration on what you can do with them. So let's choose this one, that is, and our niche, my niche will be drawing ideas and what actually I can do with that. Let's go to Fiverr and actually in the search tab, let's just type in draw. Now what you get in this Fiverr platform, you get a bunch of freelancers that are creating, for instance, drawings. Let's say this guy, Tonka B. He's a Fiverr choice, meaning he's done a lot of orders already. He's got a pretty good rating. I will create hand-drawn realistic illustrations. We have different plans. And what you can do with this, you can actually promote this guy's platform, this guy's portfolio on your Pinterest account. For example, if somebody is looking through the Pinterest and looking for drawings and maybe, okay, take a look at this drawing. It looks so awesome. I wonder how I can be drawn like this. Maybe somebody can draw me as this character right here. And if you have link over here in your Pinterest account that leads to this guy and somebody actually orders from this seller, you'll get an affiliate commission. But to get an affiliate commission, there's an extra step you want to do is if you go back to your Fiverr account, you scroll down to the bottom, and after this company page, just click on affiliates. And this is where you create your affiliate dashboard, your affiliate account on Fiverr. Also, this is a section where it shows how much you'll get for each service you promoted. But basically what you want to do is just click on join now and put in your details: first name, last name, email address, username, password, and other stuff. Now, once you created your account, you will land in the dashboard that looks similar to this. This is the account I don't usually use, but take a look at this. In one of the videos that I did previously, I used my affiliate link from this account and I made $30. Isn't that awesome? So this is where you're gonna make your affiliate link for the product, for the service you want to promote. In this case, this one. You want to go to marketing tools, to default and deep links, and go to deep link and just copy the seller's URL and paste it right here. Click on save, and now you basically get your affiliate link embedded in one of these plans. But how do we create our Pinterest pins? What you want to do now is just go to canva.com, type in Pinterest pin, click enter, and choose create a blank Pinterest pin. Now let's go back to our seller and download a couple of designs that you like and gonna be using in our Pinterest pin template. Click on open image in new tab and save this image to your computer. Now let's choose a couple more and let's do this one, save image as. Now let's go back to our Canva. Once you got your images uploaded, just drag and drop those onto your template, just like this. Now make sure they fit into the frame. If you want to move some images to the back, you can select bring forward or send to back. Now I know what you think, guys. This is completely nonsense. Take a look at this template. It doesn't really make sense. But this is just an example, and this is just for testing purposes. And basically the idea behind this template is to showcase what not actually but what this profile can do for you. And if you like these designs and you see something in those templates that you like, you can click on the link and order your design. This is the idea behind this. So if you're happy with your template, just click on share, click on download, and download this template. Now go to your Pinterest account, click on create pin, and choose the template that you downloaded from Canva. For the title and description, this is where ChatGPT will step in. So you can click on the plus icon, click on upload from computer, and just upload the template and ask it to create a title and a description for my Pinterest pin about in drawing ideas niche. I showcase different designs and promote my services. Click enter, and now you can basically copy this title, go to your Pinterest account, paste it right here, go back to ChatGPT, copy the description, and also paste it right here, just like this. And take a look at this description. Looking for a fresh drawing inspiration or custom artwork? This pin showcases a mix of bold portrait art, surreal wildlife scenes, and storytelling infused illustrations, from emotional brotherhood themes to vibrant whale fantasies and even a car rental business journey visualized in sketch form. Whether you need custom designs or are exploring new artistic styles, I offer a professional art services tailored to your vision. Let's bring your ideas to life. DM for commissions or collaborations. Now instead of DM, we can type in click the link for commissions or collaborations. It even added hashtags, and this didn't even took like a minute to make. Now for this link section, you would think that just copying and pasting your affiliate link from this website to right here would be a good decision, but actually not. This would be a really bad decision actually. What you want to do is, first thing, you don't want to be banned on Pinterest for promoting straight affiliate links, direct affiliate links. And second, you want to create a sustainable business. That's why you use Flowdesk and create your landing page. Log in with your account, click on forms, click on new form, browse through the forms. You can choose full page, click on this one. Now for the segment, let's choose drawing ideas, click enter, click on save. And now basically this is where you input your image. You can upload the same image from Canva, just like this. And for this section, what I usually like to do is just take a screenshot, go back to ChatGPT, paste it right here, and ask it to customize it so people who click on the link on my Pinterest pin will land on this bridge page and can check out the pricing by clicking the button, just like this. I just wanted to customize it a bit. Now let's copy this, ready to level up your visuals. Go back to Flowdesk. In this area, go back to ChatGPT and copy all of this into this section over here. If you want, you can make it bigger, not this big, but maybe like this big. You can make this bigger, maybe something like this, ready to level up your visuals. You're one step away from turning creative ideas into scroll-stopping visuals, whether you need custom illustrations, storytelling art, or bold branding visuals. I'm here to bring your vision to life. Drop your name and email below to stay connected and get exclusive insights, behind the scenes looks, and early access to my services. Once you sign up, you'll be redirected to check out my Fiverr page or pricing. Just my page and pricing. First name, email address, and let's leave the button probably on download. It doesn't really say continue to Fiverr. Let's leave it on download, or we can change it to sign up. Just like this, sign up. Now, what you want to do is to go ahead and actually copy this affiliate link. Go back to Flowdesk, click on the thank you page, click on redirect to URL, and this is where you put your affiliate link. Then somebody inputs their first name, email address, and clicks on the sign up button. They'll be redirected to this Fiverr seller. And if somebody chooses to buy this service, you'll get a commission from that. Also, you can click on settings, click on link. In this area, you can choose drawing ideas, save, and that's basically it. You can click on share, click on copy, and go back to your Pinterest account and paste your link over here. Now for the board, let's create a new one. Drawing ideas, create board, click on create. For the tags, we can type in drawing ideas and just publish our Pinterest pin. Now let's check it out, this pin. It looks awesome. We have our title, we have a beautiful description, and if somebody clicks on this title, we'll be taken to our landing page where you can input their first name, email address. Let's say my name is James and my email address is jamesjames@gmail.com. I click on sign up and I should be taken to the Fiverr platform. And as I can see right now, everything works perfectly. So that's it, guys. That's how you can create and monetize your Pinterest account. Make sure to upload hundreds and thousands of these pins a month and you'll be good to go. Don't forget to grab your free guide in the description down below. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.